Can I have the example 9? Hey, hello, yay! Still awake? Can everyone highlight the most important thing? And write down what does it mean. Equation is always positive. Can you write down b squared minus 4ac is more than 0? I clear my throat because I'm going to tell you the common mistake. Always positive, more than 0, wrong. I say again. Always positive, more than 0, wrong. This is a common misconception. They always think positive one, more than 0 one. Actually wrong. Always positive means what? The determinant is less than 0. Okay? So can you take out the correction color? For me it's green. Equation is it still recording? Equation is always positive. Write down b squared minus 4ac less than 0. Can I say in a few words why is it like that? Can Can you write down this? This is my y, this is my x. Equation is always positive. How do I draw? U or n? U because this is x squared, it's a u. Do you see it like that? Can you tell me my blue line and green axis got touch or no touch? No touch. There's no roots. Can you see there's no roots? No roots means what? Determinant must be less than 0. Don't play already. Because you haven't drawn. Positive means never touch. What if it touch? Can you tell me what if it touch? Can I draw an example where it touch? Tiffany, can you tell me if it touch? That means what? This is how many roots? 2 roots. b squared minus 4ac is more than 0. Because it said always positive. Now Tiffany and everyone, can you look at this? Is this always positive? Can you tell me which part is positive, which part is negative? Do now. The below is what? Negative. Do you see? This below is negative. I use red color because negative means you owe money. I use green color because positive means. Do you see that this is positive? This is negative. Do you understand now? This is negative, like you owe money at that. Think below the x-axis. This is negative. So that's why the misconception is every time students see positive means more than 0. Wrong. The positive here means the curve don't touch the x-axis. Floating. No root. Determinant less than 0. Can you follow? Can you complete the rest of the question yourself? Once you understand this, the rest is easy. So I pause the video here. I'm going to sit down. This is the one that will sabotage you. So this is the equation, and then you continue. What is negative 3 squared? Huh? No. That's a tricky also. So I go through that one tomorrow. Minus 20 minus 4n less than 0. Do step by step. Settle the two numbers first. 5, negative 11 minus 4n less than 0. Next one, bring the negative 11 over. Negative 4n less than 11. Next one, n is what? More or less? Huh? No, I am not wrong yet. So this is 11 over 4, more or less? More, huh? More. Is this okay? Is this okay? Some of you will say, sure, can I bring the 4n over? Yes, like that. Okay? Then n is like that. Same. Is this okay? Both are the same. 2 more minutes. Can you do the bottom one as homework? I will go through tomorrow. And this will be the end of lesson.